Yeah, hello there. This is just a quick little video of the Clevedon Steam Libra engine. But it's actually the full plant because here we have the boiler. This is the bigger of the two steam plants. I think it does one called the Libra, which is this one, and the Virgo. Not much to choose between the two of them, to be honest with you. This is a slightly bigger one. It's got the bigger boiler. I'm just running it in at the moment after it's just been put together. A little bit of a messy workbench, but went together beautifully. It's already slathered in steam oil. Let's say I've just been running it in a compressed air, so it might get a little bit noisy. But as I say, everything fits absolutely beautifully. Very well made engine. That's all I can say really. And look at that. I mean, that is literally brand new. I mean, I know it's obviously on the compressed air, but that is one well-machined engine. I mean, it's I think I looked before, it's on about 10 psi, and literally this has only run for 5 minutes. I'm only keeping it on low at the moment till I bed it in. I'm going to leave this on compressed air for the next 20 minutes, half an hour, just to bed it in. Lovely little engine. Boilers well put together as well. They do come in kit form, but they do go together very, very easily. Probably only takes about an hour to put this one together, and that's taking me time. But yeah, it seems to run lovely, nice and smooth. Everything seems to be very, very well in tolerance. Yeah, and a great running little engine. I'll get it on in steam later on in the week. See what it runs like on steam, but I've got no doubts whatsoever that it should run lovely. So hopefully in a couple of weeks this will be in the boat. We've got the boat already made and built up. This is the last job. Yeah. Great running little engine. Do a follow-up video when it's on steam.